Tim here from TMR Customs. Today we're going to look at the installation of our Jeep JK license plate relocation bracket. On a difficulty scale of 1 to 5, this project is rated out of 1. All that's required is basic hand tools. The bracket is available powder-coated black or bare steel so you can customize it. It fits all Jeep Wrangler JKs from 2007 to 2018, both 2-door and 4-door. The bracket is designed to work with a Rigid Industries chase light. Let's get started. First, grab a 3/4 inch socket and remove the spare tire. Unscrew the back side of the third brake light, unplug the wiring, and set aside. Then remove the factory tire mount using a 13mm socket. Now remove your license plate using an 8mm socket. Using a 7mm socket, remove your license plate mount. Now remove the tire bump stops and grommet. You also saw a fill plug for the holes here, 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 and here. Bolt the rigid chase light onto the top side of the mount. We're using rigid part number 90133. Now we're going to install the base plate onto the tailgate. We're using factory hardware. Stainless steel hardware is available as an upgrade in the grommet kit. Bolt the top plate on. Again, we're using factory hardware. Now bolt your license plate in place, and that's it. Here's a look at why our mount is compatible with the rigid chase light. Rigid chase light offers multiple functions, including a running light, third brake light, license plate light, reverse or backup light to keep the trailer mall illuminated, and don't forget the strobe function if you like to party. In a future episode, we'll cover installation of the grommet kit, as well as wiring of the rigid chase light. That's it. Thanks for tuning in to TMR Customs TV. Happy wrenching.